guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are playing around with the much anticipated Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow Palettes. I am so excited about these. The Physicians Formula Butter Highlighters and Bronzers are some of my absolute favorites. I love the Butter Blush too. But before we get into these, if you aren't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I do upload 3 to 5 times a week. And if you'd like to be updated on the newness, go ahead and click that notification bell as well. But if you guys are curious on my thoughts on this eye look and how they performed, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into it. I am so excited. So I'm gonna try to use both palettes. This is the inside of, what is it, Sultry Nights. Really pretty packaging. And then one thing that's kind of cool is on the back here, it does give you ideas, and it does have it split up into 3. So each one of these should create a look. So that is Sultry Nights. It comes with this like sponge tipped eyeshadow brush. Those ones are trash, unfortunately. I wish they would have used like an actual brush, but it's fine. So these I'm just gonna get rid of. And then this one is Tropical Days. And again, they have the 3 different looks in there. So first thing I am going to do is, out of Tropical Days, I am going to take a fluffy brush, kind of. This is a crown brush. And I'm going to go into this light shade and just set my eyelids. Super pigmented so far, so that's always good. Let's see here. And they do have that same great scent that it always has, which I absolutely love. It's like very like tropical coconut like. Now I'm gonna take a, what is this? A BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. And I think I'm gonna go into the Sultry Nights and take this like lighter brown shade and put that in the crease. And I'm gonna use just my little mirror from my Becca bronzer. Now I'm gonna use these the same way that I would with a normal shadow and just see how it does. So just really buffing. That blended really nice. Wow. Let me see. Going into the other eye. It is buffing so nice so far. So that first color blended beautifully. Now I am going to go into, oh my gosh, there's just so many shades. I think I'm gonna go into this deeper shade from this palette, which is the Tropical Days. And I am going to keep the same brush, because this one I'm just gonna use it to really just deepen this crease area. And just back and forth motions in the crease and slowly buffing up. But I really do want to keep it more towards the crease. Blended really nicely as well. And I'm trying to keep this space with no shadow for now, because I do want to put one of the metallic shades there. So it might look a little bit funny for a minute. So again, back and forth motions, and then blending her up slightly, just so that we get a nice little blend there. These are blending beautifully. I am loving this so far. Now I want to just play around just for kicks, going into Sultry Nights and this dark brown shade, just to deepen it even more. Same type of motion. And lightly swirling it on the outer corner just to create that really nice like moment there. These shadows are beautiful. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Were you guys so excited when we found out that they were gonna do butter eyeshadows? I was like, what? I was so excited. And then my face might look kind of funny right now because I don't have like bronzer or contour or like anything on it. But we are gonna dig into that with Physicians Formula as well. So that's why I kind of just left it for now. And plus I didn't know like what eye look I was gonna end up going with, and I hate when like I'll do like full like bronzer and highlight and everything, and then I end up doing a cut crease and like cutting into it. So I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna do basic. I just don't think I want to do a cut crease after all. I do want to keep this tutorial like pretty like simple, like that everyone can do, even beginners. So we're gonna try to do that. So again, those shades have blended gorgeous. Oh my goodness, love. I am going to take this, I just want to like blend it underneath real quick. I am going to take this BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and I'm going to go into this shade from the Sultry Nights, just a little bit, just to buff underneath here. This is really pretty shadows, guys. Damn! I am a happy camper. Perfect. And then there are just so many pretty, like you could make so many looks with this. Like, look at from that Sultry Night. Like, what? This pigment, this green, let's see. Ooh, she is so pretty. I'm really loving that though. Let's swatch a couple from the Tropical palette. Oh, ooh. That's this shade right here. I might, how do these like swatch? These are freaking beautiful. Wow, okay. She did not come to play. Oh my goodness. And then what is this? Ooh, and they have like some more like glittery shades in here too. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. So I'm like gonna wet a brush and I'm gonna start stamping it all over my eye, but I don't know which one to do. Let me start by wetting my brush while I decide what glittery color I wanna put all over. Because I did read the packaging, it did say you could use them wet or dry. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade. It just is so speaking to me. I am like living for it right now. So I'm gonna go in wet just to see what happens. Because with these type of metallic shades and with me not cutting my crease, I would normally go with them wet anyway to make sure that I got a little bit more of a sharp line. So I'm just curious. Oh yeah. Wow. This is gorgeous. Buffing it upward. That is really pretty. Oh my God. I wish you guys were like here in person and could see like how metallic this is. This is so pretty. I'm going to blend it up a little bit further right there, and then I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics brush again and just one of the deeper browns and just kind of stamp it on the outer corner right here. Just so that this all blends together so nicely. This is so pretty. I know I keep like going on and on about it, but I'm like really excited because honestly, not a lot of drugstore shadows perform well in my opinion. I do like the Wet n Wild shadows, but I mean still like this is really, really nice and it was very easy to do. So I really do appreciate that. I think I'm gonna take just a small brush, if I can find her. Perfect. So this is a Morphe G19, and I'm gonna go into, Ooh, I think I'm gonna go into this shade from the Sultry Nights. This is like a very metallic-y type of shade, and we are going to pop it in the inner corner and just see what happens. Oh no, I got this brush in the black. Ah! I dropped it. Okay, we're going in with a BH Cosmetics number 13 brush because I suck, and I am gonna pop that right in here and just see what happens. Ooh, yes. Oh my goodness. That is super pretty. Wet it. Now, if you're using this for a kit, obviously don't wet it with your mouth, but this is just mine. So I'm gonna do that. That is a really pretty inner corner moment. So this is the eye look. It's just very like just bronzy with that like pop of inner corner. I really like the way that all this performed. I'm definitely gonna have to do a lot more looks with this. This was just definitely like a first impression. Now for bronzer today, I'm gonna go in with my Butter bronzer and my Morphe little angled brush and just give myself some color because Lord, she needs it. And if you guys are curious on this unit, I did do a video on her. It is actually the video, it's either 1 or 2 videos before this one. So definitely check that out if you are interested in units because she is really pretty and I love her. I love the Butter bronzers. So now that we have some color to this face, and then for blush, I am going to go in with first my Milani Tea Rose blush, which is this really pretty pink. I like to dab a little bit right there as well. And then just kind of going in with a brush to blend a little bit. And then, oh no, I dropped my lash. Always, right? Goodness. When I picked up the brush, I dropped the other one. And then I am going to go in with the Butter blush in Natural Glow just to give it a little bit more of like a sheen because it's a really pretty blush. And then for highlight today, I am going to dip into this bad boy. This was the limited edition Butter Collection palette. This is in the light medium. These highlights are just like everything and more. So I'm going to go in with Full Moon and just start like, yep. I love this. I love an intense highlight. I can't help it. Like everything. I wish they would have kept these limited edition shades in the collection and made them permanent because they are so good. Like so good. And then I'm going to take my pinky just dipped in and just go right down the nose. Like that. And then let's put on some lashes and liner. And this is the finished look. I added on some lashes from Crystal Lashes, just a quick little bit of liner, and then my Butter lipstick from ColourPop. I love the way that these perform. Oh my God, guys, these are great. If you were curious about them, definitely pick them up. I will be using these a lot. They blended so beautifully. I'm obsessed. So I did pick these up from the Physicians Formula website. I think they're available in stores now, but they're still not up on like Ulta, so I'm not sure. I would say order them from their website for now if you are curious about them. But that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this first impressions and tutorial. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.